What's up, folks? What's up? Coming to you on a very hot day here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Nice, but a very hot day. But nevertheless, I got a nice, fully loaded 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Ultimate SC package. This vehicle is in excellent condition. It's fully loaded. I mean, fully loaded. All the bells and whistles. Has the V6 3.3 liter engine. It comes with the navigation, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, crash sensors, forward collision warning, heated seats, cooling seats. Look, when I tell you loaded, it's loaded. I mean, I don't think you're missing any options. Heated steering wheel, down to the heated steering wheel, okay? So this car, or vehicle I should say, if you can see it right behind me, it's priced at $25,995 currently. That's the asking price right now, $25,995 against a 2018. Has a clean Carfax. I believe it's a one owner. No, it actually has a minor fender bender on the Carfax. I believe, I'm not sure. I had no accidents, so minor damage, but nothing severe. I don't do anything that's salvage. I don't do anything that's total loss vehicles. I do not do any of that. Okay, so you can come by, take a look at this vehicle. And as you can see right here, it's a gray. I forgot the technical term of it off the top of my head, but it's I think it's Arctic blue, but it looks like a grayish bluish color. So again, it's the Hyundai Santa Fe SE Ultimate package. You can see your camera in front here. You get the LED fog lights. Panoramic sunroof. I mean, this thing is sweet to say the least. Alright, let's take a look at, do a walk around in this vehicle. It's your rear backup sensors, dual exhaust. You got your power lift gate. Alright, third row seating. Got the rear AC, the very back. You can control the air conditioner on the back, right in here. Alright, so your far back passengers wouldn't get too hot. Here goes your release button for the third row seating. Alright. Alright, so let's take a look. You got your keyless entry. Also, you can just keep the keys in your pocket. Hit this button right here. Locks it up. Unlocks it. Get your side turning signals. Your mirrors. Leather seats. Fully power. Infinity premium sound. And one of the cleanest vehicles you will come across in the Raleigh area. Alright, very clean. Backup camera. This thing also has a sensor, of course, not sensor, but the cameras that you can see around the vehicle, so not just the very back, but the entire carpets. There's no stains on there. This side over there. As you can see, I got my daughter's car sitting here, so I trust this vehicle a whole lot. I actually use this vehicle to pick up my daughter from school. So look, if I'm gonna drive or sell something, I'm gonna sell something that's reliable. Okay, so if I can take my daughter in this vehicle, guess what? You can take your family in this vehicle as well. Alright, we got the rear shades. Keep it nice and cool back here. Little cup holders for the rear. See that? You got nice third row space. Let's look back here. That's your third row seating right here. Of course, these seats are down, but let's take a look at this. And that's it. third row seats, everything is in great condition, folks. Great condition. I mean, no rips, tears, none of that stuff, okay? Car is in really, really great shape. Third row seats adjust. I mean, second row seats push forward, also adjust to lean back. Driver side. Power locks, power mirrors, memory seating. Lane departure warning, heated seats. Hill assist. You got the drive mode, sport mode, eco mode. Heated seats, cooling seats. Alright guys, so look. Steering telematics. Push button start. On a hot day like today, yes, cold, ice cold AC. Alright. Confirm. Get your navigation. Here's your rear backup cam. You can see you got your backup cam, you got what's around you as well. So that's one key feature that I love a lot. I mean, you can not only see from the back, but you can see on the sides, and you can change this view too. Okay. You can change this view right here by changing any one of these settings right here. You get CD, USB, auxiliary, center console. All right. And here goes your panoramic roof. One of my other lovely, or I should say one of my other features that I love in this vehicle. It's almost like the entire roof is glass. And half of it goes back, folks. Half of it. That's a big gap. I mean, that's a lot of, yeah, can you imagine going onto the beach with this thing? I mean, this is nice. This is nice, okay? And this car, guys, guess what? It only has 53,000 miles. 53,000 miles, okay? 53,000 miles. Can't get no better than that. A 2018, one owner, clean, luxurious vehicle, SUV, with only 53,000 miles. Still up under the manufacturer's. Hyundai has a 10-year, 100,000 mile warranty. So I'm pretty sure you still have a powertrain warranty on this thing. Again, don't take my word for it. Come on down, check us out. This thing been checked out, state inspected, mechanically inspected. And we are right here in Raleigh, North Carolina at Shine & Style Imports, okay? Give me a call at 984-200-2061. My extension here is 1002. Or you can just go online for the credit application, get a proof of financing, okay? Visit us on our web at www.shine-styleimports.com. So until the next video, guys, peace.